Welcome everyone on this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Let's go ahead with gold. Monthly has make the opening candle has make a huge run up to the upside due to the tensions in the Middle East and one USA Army ship being attacked under some Yemen rebels or something, and that create a lot of tensions in gold. And but that turned out to be not such a very big threat or triggering something bigger. So that's why we have this rejection. But on monthly time frame, we had a new monthly high, tapping 2150. On a weekly time frame, we have this level where we failed to close above this on a weekly time frame. However, this previous week was a very strong weekly candle closure, and that but price didn't close above these highs on these wicks. The body candle, the most recent support is right over here on a weekly time frame. So at the moment we're just retracing from that insane move up after like 750 pips move up, and now we're already 500 pips on the bearish side. This daily candle, so yeah, sorry about that. This daily this is Monday, like after weekly closure we just had this huge wick to the upside and then closing bearish, because I was anticipating to find a resistance, because these highs were never being retested like to the past 3 years high. We broke to the upside, and obviously after this spike, like these two quick moves, there is nothing that critical in the market or in the world happening to have this two huge move and just continuing to the upside, or in the economy that there's no recession, there's nothing to happen in that soon, like in 2 months, to have all this huge upside without a retracement. And I was anticipating a resistance to be formed here, but yeah, price just shoot up, come back inside the range, took out all these sell stops, and then now we are retracing finally. Yesterday we had a more calm day on gold, which was also a bearish candle. However, we have this support that we can tap into. We have this but at the moment we have this resistance. Most recent resistance is right over here, so as long as we don't break these highs, we can potentially come up and tap this support right over here. On the 4-hour time frame, price is found another support, tapped onto this support here yesterday, and yeah, now we have this level here. So we have this clean traffic to the upside here, which we will probably start tapping into once we have a clean closure above this level. Until that, we are forming lower lows and lower highs. As soon as we respect this level, this previous lower high level, we can either retest this level or even clean traffic to the left side right over here. So that's what I'm seeing at the moment. These levels are crucial. Into the 1-hour time frame, we have another range here which we can play around, but yeah, this range is not something that I really look forward to it, or I really see something like after this 30-minute closure. Maybe this retracement was more anticipated today on the London session, with 40 pip stop loss and 100 pip take profit. Also buys above here, price at support, creating this small range here, like resistance, support, close above, break the highs, clean traffic to the left hand side, retest these highs. That was more or less happening on New York session, pre-New York, New York Open, and yeah, so that's about it inside these days on gold, sorry. And now we will move into GJ. Let me just check on Tuesday what happened, and on Monday when did all these moves happen. By the time this was on the candle open, because on Sunday that happened, the USSA ship attack, and then we had all this retracement quickly on the Tokyo session. Then we had this pause, and then on pre-London session we had this bearish move. London Open was right over here, we had range, and then on New York Open, on Monday, whenever the bank opened in US, just retraced the whole move, like happening this, and then Monday was just ranging this. Tuesday Open, Tokyo session just a range, London session small retrace to the downside, continuation by New York session, and then just a range all the way till today in the morning, where we had pre-London move up, London Open move down, pre-New York range, then move up, and yeah, then that's it. Okay, let's go ahead into GJ. Monthly candle on GJ was bullish. Very nice bullish candle with both wicks at both sides closing above, body candle closing above this range. As soon as we come and flip break these highs, I'm anticipating GJ to tap this level. Weekly has found resistance. Previous week was bearish. We have this major resistance back in 2015, which we are failing to break, and then this current weekly candle broke the previous week lows, and now we are due to a retracement, but we need to see how we're approaching around this level on daily time frame. Yeah, daily time frame needs a bit cleanup, and yeah, something like this, something like this, something like this. So, and this also. So daily closed on Monday. This was the weekly open. We already had last week some resistance here, and then Friday just had a bearish continuation. So Monday just continued to clean all this traffic, and now we are approaching this major support that we failed to break back in November 2 times, and we found support on it. So we need to check how price will react around this area. If we have a closure below here, I'm anticipating a tap into this level, into this pool of liquidity before either moving up, because I still think that monthly can again move up, but is due to retracement. So if we tap this level 3 times and continue to the upside, or if we break for the 3rd time the support here, we can continue here, and then we will see if we will find some support to move up, or we will just continue and come back inside this big range where GJ likes to really play around. So we need to be cautious, very cautious, and check the daily time frame, check these levels, having clear confirmation on the breaks, because overall trend is up, and now we're looking for sells. On the 4-hour time frame, let's check what happened this week. Like, it's just around the support. Let's just check in the 1 hour what happened this week. Is basically bouncing back and forth from this support, and yeah, so we have 2 ranges on GJ which we just bounced back. So on Monday right over here, Monday, this is the weekly open where we closed right at resistance. So Monday just shoot down because of the tension, and then we just retraced, and then on London Open we wick to the upside, then come back again to the downside inside this range we were playing all before then. Before New York session we just retrace, and then on New York session we just tapped this huge level. Like, we had an insane move around 70 pips, and then we come back inside the range, and then we were closing right here. Then Tuesday open, pre London session. Again, we tap the level of New York session of the previous day, and then come back inside, tap the resistance, form resistance, retest the low again on the on New York session. Then on Wednesday in Tokyo session we moved up, form resistance on London, we tapped that level again, and then we retested these highs, and we're just playing around this range basically. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe. Hope this video gave you a better view of what we will expecting in the next days and what happened during these 2 days that was no updates. Bye bye.